Hi, welcome back to Dr. Zahir Math. In this video, we are going to learn how to combine functions using addition and subtraction, that is minus, then multiplication and division. Then one more new function which you are going to study is composition, right? So F composite G, right? You have to write like this. These skills help us build new functions from old ones and evaluate them at specific values. Get your iPad ready. Let's master section 2.6. Sum, difference, product, quotient, and composition of functions. Right. So for addition, we use plus. For subtraction, we use minus, or you can say another word, difference. Another word, you can say sum. This is multiplication, you can say, or you can say product of two functions. This is division. Sometimes they use the word quotient. So all these English words, be ready. Right. Let's go to the first question. Given f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. How much is given? 2x plus 1. And g of x is given as x square plus 2x minus 1. Find f plus g of x. So what they are asking? They are asking f plus g of x. After finding f plus g, then evaluate the sum. Sum means what? Plus. When x is equal to what? 3. So we are going to calculate first f of x plus g of x. Right. So what's your f of x? 2x plus 1. What's your g of x? X square plus 2x plus 1, which is equal to, right? We are going to add these two functions, right? So what we are going to do? We are going to add these two functions, right? So now x square, only one term is there. Sorry, there is a minus here, right? Only one term, so it is x square. There is a 2x, there is a 2x. So plus 4x, right? And this plus 1 and this minus 1 gets cancelled, or you can say 0. So f of x plus g of x is equal to how much? X square plus 4x. So now what we are going to do, this is your f of x plus g of x, right? So now we are going to calculate this f of x plus g of x at x is equal to what? 3. So what we are going to do? We are going to do, right, put x is equal to what? 3. When I put x is equal to 3, I will get 3 square plus 4 into 3, which is equal to how much? 3 square is 9. 9 plus 3 is what? 12. So you're going to get the answer what? 21. Let's go to the next question. Given f of x and g of x. Now they ask you to calculate what? F minus g of x. After, then evaluate. Listen the word. Then evaluate the difference. Difference is what? F minus g. When x is equal to what? 2. Right. So f of x is equal to what? 2x plus 1. And g of x equals what? X square plus 2x minus 1. Now what is the question? F minus g of x. Be careful in minus. You need to open a bracket on left side and right side. Keep in your mind. So let me write 2x plus 1 minus open x square plus 2x minus 1. Because of this minus, these brackets are very, very important. Both this side and that side. So this equals, right, 2x plus 1 minus, this goes as minus x square. This goes minus 2x, and this minus of minus is what? Plus 1. So this equals 2x plus 1. I'm sorry, 2x what? It gets cancelled, right? 2x gets cancelled. So and then you're getting minus x square plus 1 plus 1. You're going to get what? Plus 2, right? X square plus 2. Minus is outside, keep in your mind. Now we are going to put what? X is equal to 2, right? So I'm going to put x is equal to 2 in the final answer. So minus 2 square plus 2. Minus is outside, minus is outside. Be careful in the calculator. This equals minus 4 plus 2. So minus 4 plus 2 is what? Which is equal to minus 2. Clear everybody? Right. Let's go to the next question. Given f of x and g of x. Now they are asking what? Products or multiply, right? Then evaluate. After that, you are going to evaluate the product when x is equal to what? 4, right? So what is f of x given? It is x square. And what is g of x given? Which is x minus 3. What you are going to do? You are going to multiply f of x multiply by g of x. So x square multiply by x minus 3. This equals, multiply this, you will get what? X power 3. Multiply this, you will get what? Minus 3x square. Now you are going to put what? X is equal to 4. When I put x is equal to 4, it is 4 power 3 minus 3 times 4 power 2, which is equal to 4 power 3 is what? Either you can put in the calculator or you can do it manually. So 4 square is 16, 16 into 3 is 48, which is equal to how much? Which is equal to 16. Clear all of you? Let's go to the next question. Right. Here so many questions are there. A, B, C, D. So A, f of x is given, g of x is given. Now they ask you to calculate what? F plus g, f minus g, f g and f divided by g. So you're going to multiply, you're going to divide, you're going to plus, you're going to minus. So it's so simple. So first let me do f plus g of x. It means you're going to add what? F and g, which is x plus 2 and then plus x minus 2, which is equal to what? 2 gets cancelled. X plus x is equal to what? 2x. Next B question. I'm going to do f minus g of x. Be careful in minus. Open the bracket x plus 2 minus open the bracket x minus 2, which is equal to x plus 2 minus x. Minus of minus what? Plus 2. So what happens now? X gets cancelled. 2 plus 2 is equal to what? 4. Right. Let's go to C question. Let's go to C question. What's your C question? C question is f multiply by g operating on x. So what's your function? X plus 2. Second function x minus 2. If you know the formula a plus b times a minus b, you can do it, which is a square minus b square. Suppose you forget, just multiply. X into x is x square. X into 2 is minus 2x. 2 into x is plus 2x. 2 into 2 is what? Minus 4. Clear? Right. So this equals x square. This gets cancelled. Minus 2x plus 2x gets cancelled. X square minus 4. Let's go to the D question. What is D question? D question is f by g operating on x. This equals, what is your f? X plus 2. What's your g? X minus 2. No cancellation, keep in your mind. Usually you cancel x, 2. Can you cancel this one? 4 plus 2, 4 minus 2. Can you cancel? No. Same thing, you cannot cancel here. Keep in your mind. Okay? Right. Let's go to the next question. Evaluate the function f plus g of 2 for f of x equals g of x. Now look here. The question is not asking f plus g of x. They are asking directly what? F plus g of 2. Direct. So far in all the questions, you look here everybody. First find f plus g and then evaluate at x equals 4. So and then evaluate. In all the questions you can see then evaluate. But here it is not like that. It is directly given. The question is directly given f plus g of 2. So it means what? This is equal to f of 2 plus g of 2. How, teacher? F of 2 and plus g of 2. This plus. Okay. Right. So what is your f of 2? It means you go to f of x. What's your f of x? X plus 3. In this you are going to put what? X is equal to 2. Plus what is your g of x? Your g of x is x square minus 2 and you are going to put x is equal to what? 2. So this equals, what happens? 2 plus 3 plus this is 2 square minus 2, which is equal to 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. So which is equal to what? 7. Clear? Right. Now let's go to the next important thing. This is a very, very important one. So keep in your mind composition of functions, but you have to read it as f composite g. How to read this one? f composite g. Okay, right, keep in your mind f composite g. Right, what is the meaning of this? It's so simple, keep in your mind. Suppose your f of x is given, right, x plus 8, and g of x is given what? X minus 3. What are you supposed to find? F composite g. It means what? First you write f and then open a bracket, write g of x. Clear everybody? Right. And then put this g of x inside. What is your g of x? X minus 3. Then you write f of x minus 3. Usually if I give f of x equals x plus 8, if I ask f of 2, what you will do? You put x is equal to 2, right? But now we are asking f of x minus 3. So you put x minus 3 in the place of what? X. So x minus 3 plus 8. So which is equal to what? X plus 5. Clear all of you? So simple. Right. Let's go to B question. What's your B question? The same question. F of x equals what? X plus 8. G of x equals what? X minus 3. What is the question now? G composite f. So G bracket open and then you write f of x. This equals, right, G operating on, what's your f of x? Your f of x is x plus 8. Now what we are going to do? This x plus 8, you go to G and put. What is your G? X minus 3. So this equals x plus 8. In the place of x, you are going to put this one. Okay, yeah, right. So x plus 8 minus 3, which is equal to what? X plus 5. Clear all of you? So easy. Next, C question. Again, I will write f of x equals what? X plus 8. And g of x equals what? X minus 3. Now, what is the question? G composite g. How many questions are there? I think 3. Yes. G composite g. What is g composite g? G and then g of x will be inside. Right? So, this equals g. What's your g of x? X minus 3. So, this equals, again this x minus 3, you are going to put in g in the place of x. So, x minus 3 and then minus 3, which is equal to what? X minus 6. Clear? Right. Let me do few more questions in the composition of functions because it's so important. So, you need to practice more problems. Right. So, let's go to the first question. What's the first question? F composite g, which is equal to what? F and then bracket open g of x. So, this equals what? F and you put g of x. What's your g of x? X power 4. This equals, you are going to put it in what? In f. What is your f? Your f is what? 3x. So, in the place of x, you are going to put what? X power 4. So, what happens now? Which is 3x power 4. Clear? Right. Let's go to the next question. What is the next question? B. G composite f, which is g of f of x, right? So this equals g of, what is your f of x? Your f of x is 3x. And then you're going to put this 3x in the g. What is your g? G is x power 4. So you take this 3x and go to x power 4. So 3x to the power of 4, right? 3 3s are what? 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. If you don't know, you just put in the calculator. Clear? X power 4. Let's go to C question. Right. What's your C question? Your f of x is equal to what? 3x. And your g of x is equal to what? X power 4. Now what is your question? The question is g composite g, which is g bracket open g of x. Right. So g, what is your g of x? Which is x power 4. Clear? Right. Now this x power 4, you are going to put in what? Sorry, not in f, in g. So this x power 4, you are going to put in the place of x. So this equals what? X power 4 in the place of x. Keep in your mind. After that, this 4 you are going to get. So this equals x power 16. Clear all of you? Right. Let's go to the next question. The next question is given f of x equals x cube. What is given? F of x is equal to x cube. Right. And g of x is equal to what? 1 over x. Now what is the question? F composite g. F composite g means what? F g of x. F, but then g of x is what? 1 over x. This 1 over x you have to put in f. What's your f? X cube. So this is 1 by x the whole power 3, which is equal to what? 1 by x cube. Clear everybody? A question is clear? Right. Let's go to B question. What's your B question? G composite f. G of f of x. So g, what's your f? Your f is x cube. Right. You're going to put this in g. What's your g? Your g is 1 by x. So in the place of x, you put what? X cube. So this equals 1 divided by x cube. Clear? Right. Let's go to C question. What's your C question? G composite g. G of x. Okay. Right. This equals g. What is your g of x? G of x is 1 over x. Again, you have to go to g. Keep in mind, g is 1 over x. In the place of x, you have to put this 1 over x. So this equals 1 by 1 over x, which is equal to what? Flip, you will get what? X. Right? So this finishes your composition of functions as well as exercise 2.6. Right? Okay. So now you know how to create new functions and evaluate them using different operations. Operations means what? Plus, minus, multiply and divide. And also compositions. F composite G, G composite F, G composite G, F composite F. Practice every step and always highlight the keywords in the problem before solving. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Maths 001 lessons. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Zahir. East or West, Dr. Zahid Math YouTube channel is the best. Bye-bye.